Hey guys, welcome back. Let's unbox. Pretty hot. It is quite fresh. Okay then, what do we have here? I see some familiar lights. Ooh, 1993 Civic. This is from The Fast and the Furious, the first installment of the movie. The black Civic, we all know that this is the one that was used for smuggling of all those goods, pulling the heists on the trucks. That is where the black Civic came out from, right? The black Civic, the EX-EJ1, 1993 Honda Civic. We saw the entire gang driving this when they were pulling those heists. And because this is an all black casting, the headlights and taillights stand out quite nicely on it. The other details get hidden a bit and you get the plastic wheels in grey. It's also got a massive spoiler at the back. Uncarded, this will look really nice. It can even pass off as a chase if you were to put black wheels on it. So wheel swap would actually be a nice idea. What's next? Now I see a familiar tail. That's a Porsche. This is from Tokyo Drift. The Porsche 911 Carrera RS 3.8. We've seen the Porsche previously. On the card art, it shows the tail of the Porsche. I think there was another card art which had the exact same thing with the front of the Porsche showing. And this is the RS 3.8, of course. The headlights, taillights look nice, and that spoiler is just massive on it. Nice metallic grey color. And you see the Porsche detailing or the lettering even in that light bar at the back. And what else do we have? Oh, I can see a lot of shine. This is the Gallardo from Fast 10. Or Fast X for some of you out there. The Gallardo LP 570-4 Super Leggera. Gold looks really nice, matches the card art quite nicely. You get a black spoiler, black wheels. Headlight detailing quite nice. Vents again nicely captured. They're nice and deep, and all the details that you see within the metal framework or the metal bodywork looks quite beautiful too. Tail lights also pretty nicely done. So for the color, I think it's a nice casting. It's got a bit of a rusted or a withered look to it, but I quite like it. Looks more like a golden wrapped car than a golden painted car. What else do we have? Now I see a familiar color. This is a Toyota Chaser JZX100, again from Tokyo Drift. Wasn't really a hero car, but it was there. If you don't remember, go watch the movie.
Drift? What do you mean, drift?
The Toyota Chaser, in a passing glance, some of you might just think of this to be a BMW, the uninitiated ones, but this is not a BMW. This is a JDM car, the Toyota Chaser JZX100. And it's got a metallic yellow with a massive black stripe that matches the black bumper in the front. Headlights and taillights captured well. The exhaust also looks quite nice. And the underbody has a few nice details on it. And real rider rubber wheels, of course. Already two cars from Tokyo Drift. Well, there's a third one now. And the one that you probably have been waiting for. The Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift Lancer Evo 9. Remember the famous scene where he's learning how to drift, which also features DK, or the real Drift King. The card art, as you'd expect, shows a lot of smoke from those tires because this was a part of the Tokyo Drift set. And the car itself, the Evo 9, headlight details nicely captured. You get the Mitsubishi logo on the grille as well. Nice chrome wheels, or rather chrome lining on the wheels. Tail lights again captured pretty well. You get the big black spoiler and, of course, those famous graphics. So some of the licenses missing, I guess, for this. So you don't see all the decals or all the logos that we saw on the movie car. But this one is going to be quite a sought after casting from this set. So this is going to be the hero of the set. But you tell me, which one do you think is going to be the most sought after? I think there are a few hits and misses in this set, but largely the set is quite good. And if you don't have this one, because this has been a hard one to find. It has been a part of some other sets, but this has always been a hard one to find. So if you've been waiting for this, this would be a good time to get it, because this is after all a part of the premium set, which means you get the real rider rubber wheels and you get a metal on metal construction. So tell me, what is your pick? I hope you watched the video all the way till the end. If you did, thank you so much for watching. Do consider subscribing to the channel for more such content, and let me know if you want to see more such unboxing videos. Put everything in the comments below. I'm more than intrigued to find out what is it that you think. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, take care, drive safe, and happy collecting.